Hello everyone, very good evening all of you. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So welcome to my channel, Knowledge Nook with Aradhna. I am Aradhna with you, and today I am here to solve the next chapter, that is comparing quantities. So we will be solving some tricky questions, as well as we will be learning the concepts of recalling the concepts of comparing quantities. All right, so let's start today's session. So today's topic is comparing quantities. Alright, so mainly we are going to learn about percentage and profit loss, that is simple interest, CPSP. So these are the main important topics from this chapter. So let's start and learn the concepts as well as solve some tricky questions. Okay, so here is a question from percent. Percent, you know about percent. Percent means out of 100. Okay, percent. Cent means 100. Per means out of. So out of 100. That means 100 will be in the denominator. If I write 25%, that means it is 25 by 100. Okay, so here we have to find 12 whole 1 by 2% of 64. So 12 whole 1 by 2. This is given in mixed fraction. Okay, we have to convert it into improper fraction. So multiply 12 with 2, 24, add 1 in it, 25. Now it will become 25 by 2. So 25 by 2% of 64. Now percent means divided by 100. So in denominator you have to keep 100. So in denominator there is already one number, that is 2. डिनोमिनेटर में हमारे पास एक नंबर पहले से है जो कि 2 है, तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे 100. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर में ही हमें 100 रखना है. इनटू ऑफ मीन्स इनटू 64. नाउ वी नो 25 4s are 100 and we also know that 4 divides 64. 4 1s are 4 and 4 6 are 24. So 16 4s are 64, you know. Now divide 16 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. That is, it is 8. The answer is 8. So you have to just be careful while while doing cancellation, okay? So that you are not doing mistake. Alright, now let's come to next question. Okay, so the figure is incomplete. Let me complete the figure. The figure is like this. So there are 5 parts in which 3 parts are shaded. And we have to find percent of the shaded part. Okay. So we have to find the percent of the shaded part. So how we will convert this shaded part into percent? So first we have to write fraction for the shaded part. You all know how to write fraction. So here we will write 3, because 3 parts are shaded out of how much? 5. So in denominator there will always be total number of parts. Now multiply this with 100. So 5 1s are 5. 5 20s are 100. Now multiply the numerator, that is 3 and 20, that is equals to 60. So 60% of this circle is shaded. Alright, I hope this is clear. Now let's come to next topic. Find whole if 70% of it is 14 minutes. Again, here you can apply the keywords, or here you can apply the concepts you have learned in simple equation. So we will just form an equation. We have to find whole if 70% of it. We don't know what is it. So we will take it as x. Okay, is means is equal to. So 70% of x is equals to 14 minutes. Now 70% means 70 by 100 into x is equals to 14. Now divide this, cancel the 0, and we will now do transposition. 7 by 10 will go on the other side and become 10 by 7. So 14 multiplied 10 by 7. That is 7 2s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 2 multiplied 10 will give you 20. So it is 20 minutes. So simple. Right? Okay, now let me tell you about the next concept, that is increase or decrease percent. So do you know how to calculate increase or decrease percent? Like sometimes the petrol price increases or the vegetable price decreases. So we just take the change in the value as the numerator, original value as the denominator, and multiply it with 100. So here I will write increase or decrease percent is equals to change. Change can be positive or negative. चेंज आपके इंक्रीज कितना का इंक्रीज हुआ ये भी चेंज हो सकता है, या कितना वैल्यू डिक्रीज हुआ ये भी एक चेंज हो सकता है. तो चेंज में आप कोई भी वैल्यू पुट कर सकते हो. इन डिनोमिनेटर यू विल टेक ओरिजिनल अमाउंट, इनिशियल और ओरिजिनल अमाउंट. Original value or original amount multiplied 100. So by this formula you can find increase or decrease percent. So let us solve a question in regarding this concept. The question is, the population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,000. I think it is 24,500. Okay, let's do using this question only. Let's solve this question. So what is the percentage decrease of the population of the city? So first you will write what is initial population. You have to write the given, because these are the steps that you have to follow while writing in your exam, because these steps contain marks. So initial population is equals to 25,000. Final population is equals to 24,000. Now you can see clearly that there is decrease in population. So we will write decrease is equals to, so it is 25,000 minus 24,000. That is initial minus final. And you will get there is decrease of 1,000. Okay. Now we will find decrease percent. Decrease percent is equals to change. What is the change? Change, that is 1,000. 1,000% has decreased. Population decreased by 1,000, and the initial or the original population was 25,000 into 100. Now cancel these 3 zeros here and here. It is 25, 4s are 100. So in percent there is 4% decrease. So this is how you have to solve the question. Alright, now let's come to next question, and this is from simple interest. So you know what is principal, what is rate, what is time, what is amount. Okay, so principal is the money deposited or money borrowed. Okay, then you have rate. At what rate, that is rate is out of for every 100 how much extra money you are getting if you are depositing money. अगर आप 100 रुपये बैंक में जमा करते हो तो 100 रुपये पे आपको कितना इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है. अगर आप 1000 जमा कर रहे हो तो भी हम 100 रुपये की मतलब परसेंट कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. रेट इज आउट ऑफ 100. ओके, सो how much extra money, if you are depositing amount, how much extra money you are getting, that is the rate. If it is 4%, that means अगर आप 100 रुपीज़ जमा कर रहे हो तो आपको 4 रुपये एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे. अगर आप 1000 रुपीज़ जमा कर रहे हो तो आपको 40 रुपीज़ एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे. ओके, टाइम. सो up to how much time you are depositing that amount, or up to how much time you are taking that amount as loan or borrowing that amount. Then you have simple interest, that is the extra amount you are getting. Okay, and then amount is sum of principal and simple interest. So जो पैसे आपने जमा किए और जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट आपको मिले, इन दोनों को जोड़कर हमें मिलता है अमाउंट. So here it is given principal. Principal is rupees. First you will write the given 6050. Then rate 6.5%. Then time is also given. Time is equals to 3 years. What you have to find? This is given. This information are given. Now to find, you will write to find. First of all, you have to find simple interest, and then you have to find amount. So there is one formula for simple interest, that is PRT by 100, and by using this single formula you can find everything like P, R or T, that is principal, rate or time. Here I am writing SI is equals to P, R, T by 100. Now I will put the value. P is 6050, R is 6.5%, T is 3 years, and because rate is given in percent, we take 100 as denominator. Rate हमारा percent में होता है और percent का मतलब by 100, so हम denominator में 100 ले रहे हैं. Let's cancel 110. Now I'm dividing it by 5. So 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Alright, now you have to multiply this. 121 multiplied 3, that is 363. It will become 363. Okay, 363, and then you will multiply it with 6.5. So it is 1179.75. Now you have to find amount, and amount is equals to principal plus simple interest. That is 6050 plus 1179.75. Okay, so whatever the total amount you will get, that will be your answer. Alright, now let's come to next question. So what rate gives rupees 280 as interest on a sum of rupees 56,000 in 2 years? So here question is asking the rate. You have to find rate. Okay, what you are given? Interest, simple interest, that is rupees 280. On a sum of rupees, that is principal is given 56,000. Time is also given 2 years. So we will apply the same formula of SI. that is equals to P into R into T by 100. Okay. Now here I will write at the place of SI, I will write 280 is equals to 56,000 into rate. I don't know. Okay, so I will take R only, and 2, that is time, and in denominator we will take 100. So cancel 2 zeros here and here. Okay, now I just transpose the value on the left hand side. Okay, so I will write 280 divided by this 56, 560 and 2 will go in the denominator. 560 into 2 is equals to R. Just cancel 1 0. 28 2s are 56. So you got, in numerator you have 1, nothing means 1. And in denominator you have 2 into 2, that is 4. So rate is 1 by 4% or 0.25%. Okay, now let's come to the next question, or you can say it's the last question. So an item was sold for rupees 540. Okay, you are given SP. SP is equals to rupees 540. Okay. And loss is given, that is 5%. We have to find CP. Okay, you can just apply the formula of CP, that is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss into SP. Okay, if you know this formula. So I will tell you, just remember all the formulas that is given in your book. Okay, so CP will be equals to 100 by 100 minus loss, that is 100 minus 5 into 540. That is 100 by 95 into 540. Cancel, divide with 5. 5 20s are 100. 5 1s are 5. 5 9s are 45. Okay, and then you can solve it by dividing. So just multiply 20 with 540. And divided by 19. So it is rupees 568.42. So this is the amount you will get. Alright, so if you have any doubt in any of the concept anywhere, you can put that in the comment section. That was all for today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.